This is how to remove image background in Adobe Photoshop. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below. Let's say you want to remove the background of this image in Adobe Photoshop CC. Top right hand screen underneath the layers panel, right click on your image. You want to rasterize the layer. So now if we click W on our keyboard, middle hand screen, click on select subject. This will successfully remove the layer or your image from the background. As we can see, right click, layer via copy, click the eyeball icon right here. It removed it from the background. Or if you don't like that, there's a couple different ways you can do so. Go back to your image, click L on the keyboard, top left hand screen. As you can see, click the second option, polygonal lasso tool. This will bring up the lasso tool, and I'm doing Alt, holding Alt and scrolling with my mouse on the keyboard. And then we're simply just going to click, and then we're going to click out for the image. Where we want to remove the background of the photo or the image, click enter and then click delete. As you can see, Ctrl+D to deselect. We're scrolling out. This will successfully remove the background from an image or a picture. I know this is a little different from my other tutorials, but as you can see here, it is reverse psychology. Make sure it's selected. Click on delete or backspace on your keyboard. If you want a more simplified way, same thing, right click, click on the third option, magnetic lasso tool. And now if you click and we're not holding, we're just moving our mouse cursor, Adobe Photoshop CC is successfully removing the background. Click enter, click backspace completely for free.